In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Notion sidebar and find your pages quickly. When you first open Notion, one of the most important areas to understand is the sidebar on the left. This is where you'll move between pages, switch sections, and keep your workspace organized. If you're new to Notion, think of the sidebar as your main navigation panel. It gives you a clear overview of where everything lives, and once you get comfortable using it, finding your notes and documents becomes much faster. Start by opening Notion and looking at the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Take a moment to scan it so you can get familiar with the layout. This area is designed to help you access different parts of your workspace without needing to open lots of separate menus. If you use more than one workspace, the next thing to check is the workspace switcher. This lets you move between different workspaces easily. That's especially helpful if you keep personal and shared projects separate or if you belong to multiple teams. Just use the switcher to select the workspace you want to view before looking for your pages. After that, open Team Spaces to access team pages. This is where shared content usually lives, so if you're trying to find documents used by a group, this is a good place to start. Team Spaces help organize collaborative work and make it easier to separate team information from your own personal content. For your own notes and individual pages, open Private Pages. This section is meant for personal material that isn't part of a shared team area. If you're keeping drafts, personal planning documents, or notes just for yourself, you'll usually find them here. To open any page, simply click the page name in the sidebar. Notion will load it right away in the main workspace area. As you continue using Notion, you may end up with many pages, so keeping them organized is useful. You can drag pages in the sidebar to reorganize them and place related content where it makes the most sense for you. If there are pages you use often, add them to favorites so they stay near the top of the sidebar. This can save time and make your most important content easier to reach. And if you can't find a page manually, use search. Search is one of the quickest ways to locate a page, especially in a large workspace. Just type part of the page title, and Notion can help you find it without scrolling through everything. Once you understand these sidebar tools, moving around in Notion becomes much simpler and more efficient.